Yeah, Cash.
What's going on, bub?
Oh man, I'm hurting.
You are?
Mm-hmm.
Tough, tough, tough day.
Yeah, man, I don't got the juice like I once did.
Yeah, I understand that. I really do.
How was your weekend?
Pretty good, nothing crazy. Um, just kind of hung out and coded, and that's really it. Um,
Nice, dude.
yeah. So,
Future's up a little bit.
yeah, gotta look and figure that out. I haven't even checked.
It's up
It's
like
like
zero point
point
0.09.
oh nine.
Seems like we got a decent bounce right here. They could make a new high if this holds. Holding in this zone. So if it keeps pushing up, this could be our long profit.
What is it, 650?
Yeah, well, this is futures, so 63.72 ish. But yeah, probably SPY. It's like headed that way. So we'll see. I'm cautious just because of this here, but
Yeah, I was doing some reading this on the couch today.
oh
Apparently, this week is like one of the more volatile weeks historically of the year.
yeah, because August is usually pretty slow, isn't it?
Yeah, I think everyone's enjoying their last time before the kids go back to school, and then September's usually pretty. But
Yeah, I'm thinking it's gonna be a little hairy. But I mean, I feel like we want that though, because we want to stair step down so that we can slam the calls, and then ride that puppy all the way back up. That's what I think anyway. I would love to see us come down to here.
yeah, I mean, nonetheless, right? Like, just find whatever sector's hot.
Yeah, yeah, right. Good point. And we can look for that later.
Yeah, it's been mostly like aerospace and quantum and the financials.
Yep. How's Bitcoin doing? Oh, that usually gives us a good idea. And it's down. Oh no, it's pretty flat actually, right? I think it's flat. Or hold on. Yeah, it seems like it's flat. This usually gives me a good idea. Like if this thing would come down, like 113 would be a nice place to get some longs. I don't know. That just closed. Oh wait, am I even looking at the right fucking? There we go. Premium dong trading. What the fuck? Um. Yeah, so it's kind of chilling. I don't know. Still making higher highs and higher lows though, so that's always good, right? Seems like it broke out of this pattern.
Yeah, crazy to see like names like MicroStrategy just get absolutely crushed on Friday.
Yeah, well, that's probably because of the OPEX, I would think.
Yeah, I mean,
Damn, I really did.
still crazy though because like some of these other like brokerages that Coin or Webull or like all those names that are pretty heavy on crypto, they were all up very nicely.
Yeah. Well, if we do bounce tomorrow, this could be a great one to watch because it's right on this shelf.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I saw some crazy buy. It was, let me see, it was a Flow Simon tweet. It was let me see. Do.
How's it doing right now, actually?
It was, listen to this, 460 calls for this Friday, 11 million, and the average contract for 4.3.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
How how's everything doing in after hours? Bull is down 5%. Damn it, we're at 17 on Friday. Holy shit.
Yeah, I mean that's much better than it was because it was down because they announced XYZ after hours on Friday getting added to S&P,
Really?
and that was up like 11, and Bull was down 11, so they've kind of cut into that.
Tesla's up
Seems
2% already.
wow.
I feel like that one is setting up to rip. I mean, I know you saw what I was looking at.
Yeah,
If
Tesla does look really good, and it has earnings this week too.
yeah, yeah. If not this week, then soon. Because I mean, this looks like it's ready to fucking go.
Coin up 1.7.
Like we're coming to a, starting to get close to this apex, and so unless it rejects this, it comes back down. I don't know. Um, we can just go through like all. Let's just go through like all the Mag 7 and see if we got any like clear indications of where this week could be going. Because I feel like they're usually pretty good leaders. Let's see. It's got some weakness on the RSI and the daily, but it's still trying to close back above. So that could definitely make some moves. If it doesn't reject here. If it does, we can look to go on the putty side. Microsoft. Man, this thing has just been going crazy. Yeah.
Wow.
I just feel like we got like there's where's the stair step, you know? It's something's coming. And if it's not this week, it's probably next month. Google. Kind of a weird looking chart. What do you think about this one? It's like a really awkward.
Head and shoulders almost.
Yeah, almost. I don't know if I doubt it'll play out that way, but it is weird. I guess broadening wedge too, maybe. I mean, we did talk
Yeah, it
about
could
it.
be.
I would like to see this come down on something like this. What else? Apple. It's always a fucking shithole of a stock trade, but we can look at it. Bill asked about declining sales would slow that at all. Declining sales for what? I don't remember the context. Oh, Tesla? Yeah, I mean, I don't know, man. It's not just about the cars anymore, I don't think. He's making some serious
Yeah.
progress with AI and robot and that robo taxi.
Yeah,
So,
Tesla's earnings are usually more forward-looking, at least the reaction to them. Like I remember last earnings, there was like the delivery numbers were atrocious, but they were like, "Oh yeah, we're going to be doing the FSD, we're going to be doing the robo taxi in Austin soon," and it ripped. So
check out this one, man. Besides the liquidity sweep, um, this has got a hell of a setup right now, if it can go. Yeah, even the RSI I like. The ADX isn't very strong, but this might be one to watch. The 218 target. Kind of a ugly position though. If it doesn't get it back above this, I think it's going to be in some trouble. Nvidia, this one's also just been going straight up. I mean, I think it'll pull back, but it's hard to be bearish on Nvidia when Meta is building a 1 gigawatt supercomputer and a 5 gigawatt supercomputer that's going to be the size of Manhattan. I feel like everybody else is going to follow, including countries soon, and Nvidia is going to double, is my opinion, faster than anybody thinks, including AMD. That's my hypothesis. I think will be up to here by like end of 2026.
I could see that. I mean, AMD has been going nuts too.
Yeah. Well, they're all sold out, everything, and scalpers are charging 2x to 3x the amount. Um, so, I mean, right there, that's just a clear indication. All right. AMD first profit target. I think we could see this by Q2 2026. End of 2026 if things keep going the way they do. And if you look at the chip index, we're in an exponential curve. So it's going to go up insanely fast in a quick amount of time. It could go all the way up. Yeah, it could go all the way up to 450. The only threat that I see is open source models, but they still need a serious amount of capex. So even if it cools off, it's still going to be something.
You know what you should look. You know what we should look at for semis is ALAB, ALAB. Finally got out of the 100.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah.
This looks good.
I was looking at that like over like 10 like 103-ish
Yeah.
for a weekly. I really like ALAB right now. I love MP with their connection to
Whoa.
they just had the like $500 million deal with Apple to source their chips or something like that. And they just had their 2 largest volume weeks back to back. Apparently also another big flow hit for MP was like 90 calls for August.
Really?
Yeah, like mid-August, but still.
So maybe we should watch this one tomorrow then.
Yeah.
Wow, that would be nice, huh?
And the premiums move really nice. Like I was just like on my watch list on Robinhood, and like some of like when you get like a smaller implied move like on AMD, like I feel like you can on a weekly you can get like 100% on a weekly call if it moves like 1 to 2%.
Nice, that's huge.
Or it's like it's like
so it has a lot of volume probably, and the IV.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
It's up 1.1 right now.
I like it. The weekly freaks me out a little bit, but that doesn't mean it's gonna be
Yeah.
What else do we got? Let's go through. I think CRWV is gonna pull back soon. I mean, maybe it bounces here on that weekly chart, but it seems like it's going to come right down to 100. This is where I'm looking to buy it. It's quite the break of structure, you know? Hood, yeah, we can pull up Hood.
To answer your question, Gray Fox, like right now it's MP's at 64.20, so like let's say you wanted like a 66 call for this week. First of all, the IV is 105%. Hold on. But like the spread on them isn't crazy. Like it's 5 cents, I think. Like you could have gone in near bottom at like 11 a.m. on Friday for this Friday's, and the contract for 66 was 103 and it ran all the way up to like 263.
Damn.
Pretty nuts.
We'll see what goes on for Hood, but just this daily candle to me makes me feel like this thing's going to be coming down to 90 in like 2 weeks. and do something like
90 would
this.
be nuts, though.
What?
90 would be nuts.
I know, but it's up for almost 400% in a few months, so I don't know. I mean, I
Yeah.
guess it doesn't have to come down, but this candle is what is making me think that. Um,
My only thought on the hood is something that can continue it is like they're constantly being talked about in the S&P inclusion
yeah,
in
that's true.
September. So I mean, maybe it does come back down to like the 90s, and then it could like I think September is the next inclusion. So
Yeah,
maybe they get. I don't know why they say that because then like they just randomly were like, oh, we're gonna have XYZ replace Hess on Friday.
right. Well, it's definitely got some levels to break
Maybe,
through anyway. It's got to get through 100
yeah,
first.
maybe that's like rebalancing as opposed to just inclusion. I don't know.
Yeah,
It could be.
definitely could be.
Hmm.
What else do we got?
Ooh.
Hands. I'm still waiting for this one to pull back to go long on. Seems like it's got a little pullback coming. Yeah. What were you gonna say?
No, I was gonna say we got someone trialing
Trialing. What do you mean?
a new member.
Oh, I see what you're saying. One second. Uh, Amazon. Let's do it. Daily chart looks pretty good. Still making higher highs, higher lows. Got a nice setup here. As long as it doesn't open lower. I haven't broken the previous pivot point, so I would definitely wouldn't be buying puts on it. So it looks good. If we do pull back at all, I'd love to buy in this range. Anywhere in here. But looks like it's headed to all-time high soon. Monthly chart looks pretty good. Like I said, we just need to hold this level. What else you guys got? Open. I've heard a lot of talk about Open. What's the deal with Open? Was it Mint that was talking about him? Monthly candle closed over this. That's huge. But she was saying potential of a reverse split, and that makes me nervous. Could be a nice wedge breakout here, though. If it doesn't reject the third time. If it does, we should be looking to get this thing when it pulls back. I mean, that to me looks like it's going to reject right here. But unless it explodes up tomorrow. Trend is strong, that's good. RSI is at 90 and mine's slow, which means the 14 is probably maxed out. But on these small caps, that doesn't usually mean overbought. Nice, it's ripping. This would be a good one to watch too, for sure. I'll throw it on the list. Why not? Okay. VVPR. What do we got here, guys? Double top. I kind of rejected before. That's on the 98. Daily looks... It's trying to go up. Weekly looks okay. I don't know. I don't know. What's going on with this stock? What do they do? Because this is your... I don't like buying around these zones. XRP Treasury? Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't know enough about crypto to do this, but I like that it's closing above the previous support. So if this month closes above this, he'll do like an AMD type thing. So maybe we do. Maybe I do throw this on the list. XRP freaks me out because they got a bunch of people who started it holding large bags, right? So if I understand it correctly, anyway, and that means they could sell it off. Baba.
Pablo's looking great.
Yeah, it does look good, huh? It's got a nice rounded bottom. Daily's breaking out. Could throw this on the list.
Yeah, Baba and JD have both been ripping.
180 by September, if it's finally time to go. Maybe. Is it moving overnight? Let's check. Let's check. It's up 1%.
You know what else has been going insane?
What's up?
Reddit. Your favorite?
Alright, I'll pull it up.
Bacon Time also said Spotify, which I've had my eyes on for a bit too.
Alright.
But it kind of took a hit.
So you like this one? Yeah, it does.
I do
have,
like it.
It does have a nice rounded bottom here. So usually 2x-ish profit. Throw it on my alarms. We just really got to get over this, but it looks like it should.
Yeah, you don't want to see a rejection there.
Yeah. Kind of a weird monthly candle. And then you guys had spot. Well, I had this on the list. It already hit our profit target. Damn, how did I fucking miss this? Look how it rejected the golden. What do you think?
I think it's gonna probably come back down to on. When did it hit 790? Holy shit. Actually, I don't know. We might have found a bottom.
You think? On the daily? Spot?
I don't know. I'm on
SPOT?
I'm on the one. I think I'm on Spotify. Where I'm on the one. It kind of looks like a Head and Shoulders actually. Now that I'm looking at it.
Yeah, I think it's got a little bit more.
We might go. I mean, we're sitting on a outside liquidity on like the month basically since like beginning of June, which we bounced off 686 pretty nicely. Which there's a bullish FED there too. But if we break like 386, we can get down to like the 370 range.
370? We're at 690. Am I looking at
Oh,
the
sorry,
right stock?
670, 670,
Okay.
670. All right.
No, you're good. I just want to make sure I have the wrong one. Yeah, it'll be interesting.
I don't think I have Head and Shoulders.
Kind of does. Kind of does. And then Neo. This is one I've been wanting to look at. I'm glad you brought this up. What's going on with Neo? Is it finally going to rip again? It looks like it's closing above the previous support. Kind of. It's doing something here. Still think it needs to do something like this first. But. Could be Could be a time to get in. Look at the cross on the weekly here. Something's going on. Has anybody like looked into the companies, how they're doing financially? It's got a nice wedge breakout here. I'd be down to ride this. Papa, you had a big run on Neo not too long, or a few years ago.
Yeah, during COVID, I think it went all the way up to 60.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. This would be interesting. Let's grab some of this. As long as the market structure, the share structure hasn't changed too much. TEM. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't love this. But maybe it goes.
I mean, if it gets back over like 63.50, I'd feel a hell of a lot better about it.
Yeah, where is... There we go. Trying to see if it's squeezing anywhere. It's squeezing on the weekly. Do I not have the most recent one? What the fuck's going on? Alright. Yeah, we'll have to... we gotta wait a little bit on this one, I think. See, did I miss any? Elf?
Oh, is Elf that
It's a
medicine?
It's a beauty
Makeup?
brand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It could do something here soon.
Kind of looks like Reddit's chart. But
Sort of, yeah. These fucking things are too bright. Yeah, I mean, this looks like it could go at the end of the week, maybe, or even tomorrow, if it gets up over this. Yeah, it's out of liquidity on the 30-minute though, so be careful of that. Be nice to buy in this on the lower side. What's it doing on the weekly? Monthly? Yeah, monthly's kind of odd looking. I don't know. What's trending? What any sector rotation? I haven't looked.
energy is going nuts. Like, look at LEU.
Holy crap. What's the deal with these?
All energy is going off. I think this was related to Trump making that $90 billion announcement for AI and energy last week.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. Damn.
So like I've got my eyes on like Oklo right now because it looks really good as well, but it's not ripping like this.
Oh shit, this looks really good, dude.
Yeah.
held the shelf, which is what I always like to see.
Right.
So 135 by January.
Wouldn't be surprised. It's been like super choppy though every day.
Yeah. I usually like to watch NUKZ for this one. What about SMR? That's another one too. This one looks pretty good on the daily, even better than OKLO.
Mm-hmm.
What about our quantum stocks? QBTS and all those, IONQ. Has anybody checked those out?
Yeah. Yeah, I was looking at IMQ this weekend.
This has got a nice breakout.
Nice little inside day right there too.
Yeah. I like that. Profit up here maybe. IONQ. It's kind of the same thing here. It's kind of near the daily liquidity sweep, but it could definitely be a ripper. What else is there? SHOR. What is this one, Kevin? This is a new IPO? Damn. Does this even have any liquidity? What market is this on? Oh, did you say shop? Never mind. We already did that one, didn't we? Yeah, my eyes are shot.
Whoa.
DPRO.
What happened in the shop?
What?
What happened there with shop? That wick is crazy.
Well, this is DPRO.
Oh. No.
We already looked at shop, didn't we? I don't know about this one, dude. I mean, maybe they're doing something good, but it's just in a mega downtrend. Mega. And the weekly is over that. That's good. But that wick is kind of gross. Government contracts? Yeah, well, that could be interesting. For what? Drones? If it's drones, then you have my attention. Fuck it, I'll add it to my list. Why not? Yo, drones are going to be the next big one. AI robotics. Ooh, okay.
Drones is a really interesting area when it comes to the government.
Yeah.
Just from my experience dealing with them.
Really?
So the feds have something called a blue list, which is companies that you're allowed to buy from when it comes to special certain technologies, specifically things that have to do with national security, stuff like that.
Yeah.
If one of the big problems with drones in the blue list is that it's almost all drones that are made, even domestically, have some part in them that's made in like China, even if it's like a piece of plastic. And if one little piece of any part is made in a country that's not approved on the list, then the entire thing is considered invalid.
It's like your export-import laws, right?
Yeah, so like if say one little piece of plastic was made in China, then yeah, they'll say nope, the whole thing is considered made in China and it's not allowed for certain things. So when it comes to like grants and stuff, it's really annoying. Everyone was asking us for grants about like it, and we essentially just told everyone don't bother. It's too much of a hassle.
Damn. Wow.
But they're moving to try to do a lot more made in the U.S. type of stuff with all parts made in the U.S. It's just that companies like the ones in China have a huge advantage because they've done it at lower cost for a longer time.
Right. They have all the tooling too.
Exactly. So it's part of the onshoring that's the problem with it.
Interesting. It's good to know.
Not to say it can't be done. Yeah, not to say it can't be done that the company's a bad thing to go into. It's just something to always keep in mind. From my experience.
Makes sense to me. I still love SERV. It's another robotics play. I think this one's going to be huge. Huge. Buy the dip. Same with RR. Is it this one or is it a different one? This isn't it. There it is. This has got a nice wedge going on it. This thing could absolutely fire up soon. STXS. I also like this one. I like the fundamentals on this one a lot. Growing 25% right now. So I'm buying this one up. Even though the fucking stock has been consolidating for months. PL. Okay. Platinum futures. They take pictures of the Earth. Do I have the right company? I probably don't. Planet Labs. I like the weekly. Daily looks like it's going to go too. This is a good one. Alright. So, looking for a new high above $8. Interesting. Excuse me. We don't want to reject this area though, so be aware of that. 20 by end of year. Who says that and why?
I think Kevin said that.
No, yeah, but yeah, no, yeah, thanks. I meant like, where did he get it from?
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Reddit dudes with 50,000 shares. Oh boy. Yeah, man. I mean, maybe someone's got to be right. So I'm about it. Let's do it. What about coin?
Coin's ripping.
Yeah, it's got a nice monthly breakout. So profit up here.
The daily chart, or the close on Friday, was a bit hairy.
Yeah,
It touched all the way up to like 444.
That is ugly. That is ugly.
It kind of did the same thing Hood did, I feel like.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, actually, go look at Hood and Coin. It's the exact same chart, at least on Friday.
Definitely. I feel like we have to wait and see what tomorrow looks like in order to find out if it's legit.
Yeah, I mean, all these like brokerages are super overextended.
Yeah, like Bull.
I mean, yeah, Bull. They had news. That's why they broke out.
Yeah.
So that was,
What was the news this time? Because last time it wasn't great.
it was. I think they're like adding crypto or something to a new market, to a new country or something like that.
Oh, okay.
I can check. Hold on. Webull is bringing back crypto trading in U.S. during Crypto Week. So they got that run up. I feel like Bull can go to like 60 by end of year. Is that crazy?
No, definitely can. It's got a huge market. It's been around for so long. But they do have that debt issue, right? Or something? something like that.
Honestly, I'm not sure. Why are you laughing at my text, bro?
It was funny.
Oh, I think we got, guys, good news. We got Doc Holliday back from vacation. We also got Sniper Joe back from vacation this week, so the gang is all back together.
Yeah, Teflon is here too.
I know.
Hey,
Teflon, I fucking missed your ass.
I know, man. Everything blows up in the morning recently. It's the problem.
Yeah, I feel you. Tomorrow's gonna be a little hairy for me until like 11 a.m. So hopefully market settles and I find a great setup for then. But
Yep. Yep.
yeah.
You guys got anything else? Because I'm out. We blew through a bunch.
Let me check what else I was looking at real quick. Maybe we can
RKLB.
look. Another quantum. Oh, you're looking at one. I'll throw
Yeah.
it out on there after. Yeah, Rocket Lab is crazy, bro. Also, there I don't know what it's doing after hours, but Rocket Lab and ASTS might be able to benefit from it. But there was news I think yesterday that dropped about Trump looking back into not giving government contracts to SpaceX.
Really?
And last time there was talks on that, I feel like Rocket Lab and ASTS were up like 10%.
I mean, ASTS and RKLB are both very bullish, so. But when does it stop?
Yeah.
What the fuck is RBLX? Isn't this a video game?
Rocket Lab?
No, RBLX.
Roblox?
Yeah.
Yeah, they've been ripping too. They're like the most popular game in the world, I think.
Fuck.
Because every kid in the world plays it.
Should ban video games.
Huh. I can't tell you the last time I played a video game,
Yeah.
sadly.
What was that ticker you were thinking of?
QS. Just another quantum boy. I mean, that's insane, so. Could be time for it to chill out.
The fuck? I still don't even understand how they're ripping. Like, it hasn't even like. These companies aren't even making money. I don't think, are they? Like quantum. I don't think quantum computing does anything yet.
Probably not, but
Fuck it.
they will be the future.
Yeah, definitely. Unfortunately. Oh. Gray Fox said something to you.
Who did? Gray Fox?
Yeah.
Wait a sec. Let me check. Oh, that's so true. So true. Oh, God.
All right. Well, we went through
I'm
like
cooked.
30 stocks, and I recorded it. So if you guys missed any, you can watch it after. If you got any more,
We need to
throw 'em in.
dubs.
Yeah, we gotta come in hot this week. Need some fat wins.
Bro, I need to start like the dailies have been fun or like taking profit, but I've gone back and looked at some of the contracts I've had and they've run like 500-600%.
Yeah, the HUD one was the one I was telling you to hold when it was at like 100 or something, right? Here.
Yeah.
You gotta watch the 2 hour. That's what I like. That's what I always notice for the swings. The 2 hour works really well.
I'm still just have PTSD from holding from earlier this year.
You can always sell half or just let
Yeah.
profit ride overnight.
That's true.
Probably not the time
That's
to do
true.
it now because I feel like things are gonna like chill out for a little bit. But
Yeah. Or at least
I don't know.
new sectors to
Yeah.
rotate into.
Yeah, there we go. That's the way to look at it. All right.
All right, everybody, go get a good night's sleep. Let's get at them tomorrow.
Yeah, I gotta pretend to work tomorrow, so
All
Thank
right.
God I got the day off.
nice.
Oh, that's beautiful. Cash, yeah, I don't know what your schedule looks like tomorrow, but I have a forecast call from like 10 to 11. So I don't know if you want to do like an 11 a.m. one or something or
Yeah, we can either do 11 a.m. or
or
like 1 p.m. or something.
okay. We'll figure it
I'm
out.
thinking mid lunch might not be a good idea. Let's just see what the market looks like, and then we can decide.
Yeah. Okay.
Alrighty.
See you later, folks. Have a good
Peace.
night.